guys, welcome to my channel. So as you can see from the title, I'm bringing you another update. If you are new here, my name is Gifty and I document my lock journey, and if you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. I really appreciate all of you, and also for sticking around because I haven't uploaded a month after my 3-year anniversary. I was planning to actually give you an update 3 months after my 3-year anniversary. I've kind of gotten used to being a little bit more regular. So now we are 3 years and 2 months into this lock journey. And this is how my hair is looking like right now. I am actually due for a retight. So my roots, if you can see, my roots are quite long. So there's a lot of new growth going on here, and I'm in the middle of a retightening. So if you can see from the back, I've actually separated it. So this is my newly retightened locks. Let me see if I can show you. These are the retightened locks. So I am actually working on it. I did that I think 2 days ago in the evening, and I'm going to work on the rest. I'm still using my lock tool. So yeah, and when it comes to what I'm using as an oil, I showed you a chebe oil that I've been using. So it was oil infused with chebe powder. And this chebe powder had something to do with the ladies in Chad who grow their hair massively long, and I was so excited when I got that oil, and I used it as well, and it gave me a lot of new growth. But what I also realized over time is that my new growth felt really soft. So because it was very soft, it was kind of meshing together, like I don't know how to say, like it was tangling with each other. The sections weren't clear. Normally my sections always grow in sections like this. They don't really hook each other, and if they do that, then it's because I'm very late. And this time I decided to stretch to about 8 weeks. So yeah, the last time I retightened was really the last time I retightened my hair, and ever since my hair has been growing. But what I use now is olive oil. So I made my own olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and I infused it with rosemary oil. I just added like 2-3 drops of that, and that's what I've been using in my hair. And not because the other oil was bad, I just didn't like the way it made my hair softer. So I think that would be best for people who have loose natural hair, because it will make the hair softer. It will probably even influence your curl pattern, but I didn't want that to happen to mine. So yeah, I stopped using it, but there's still left with a little in the bottle, so I'll probably infuse that into oils that I use for my kids or something, and then till it's finished, so that it doesn't become a waste. So the next thing that I'm going to talk to you about is my oncoming live session. So I asked you guys in my community tab to drop me a few questions that you have, and I was amazed about how many people actually dropped a question. I did the same thing on Instagram. So this is the post I did. Don't know if you can see that. And then these are the comments that were dropped. Actually 59 comments, but I also answered some of them, just saying that I will be running the live session. There are just a few questions that repeat themselves, but most of the questions are very unique questions, and I would really like to get back to you and answer that. And some of you also answered, dropped questions on my community tag when I asked for that. So I would, yeah, as I said, I would be making a live session. So if you aren't subscribed yet, remember to hit the subscribe button, and then also click the notification bell so that when I go live, you'll be informed, so that you don't miss out. Yeah, my most asked question is about frizz. So I'll be elaborating a lot on how to, reduce your frizz, how to manage so that you don't get crazy with your frizz and all, even though frizz is part of hair and it's actually a very good sign. But I will talk about that in the live session, and then how I managed to deal with my frizz. For those of you who have followed me all this while, you knew I also had frizz, so it's not like I'm frizz free or anything, but there are certain things that I did that actually helped me, and now my hair is actually smooth. Now that it is not retightened, you can't really see, but if you look at my locks, they are not that frizzy. They are actually okay, and if you can see, so they're actually okay. There's not a lot of frizz going on. I'm very happy with them. So yeah, so I think the 1 or 2 cents that I know about, I should be able to share that with people. Maybe it will be helpful. So I actually don't have much to say. I'm still using my spray bottle with my distilled water infused with rosemary, infused with rose water. I use my sheet towel to dry my hair. I still use my lock tool. I have, you know, done something with my oil, so now I'm using olive oil. And yeah, apart from that, you don't actually need much to care for your microlocs. Oh, and I wash once a week. I can show you the shampoos I'm currently using. Just hold on. This is the shampoo I'm currently using. This is kind of a moisturizing shampoo, but it says detox and clarifying, but it actually makes my hair feel very moisturized. And this is a men's shampoo. This is supposed to be very clarifying, which is working amazingly. So I use this to wash it first, and then I use the second wash, I use this one, the moisturizing one, because I don't use a conditioner on my hair. Both shampoos have been diluted with water so that they are able to run out and wash out of my locks quickly. So that's what I do. And I also wash my hair off with cold water at the end, so that in that way the moisture will be locked down in my locks, and then my locks will never really feel super dry. So yeah, that's what I do. This is the quick run of my regimen actually. But I will elaborate more on this in my live video. So as I said, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and comment below if you have any questions so that I can consider your question as well. And yeah, that's it to my update, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're on the lock journey, I wish you all the best for your lock journey. And yeah, drop some questions below. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up so that it will be recommended to more women looking for this kind of information. So yeah, till I see you in the next video, take care of yourselves, stay healthy, and yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.